round
Four.
2?
No. No, he's got a grade 5 heart murmur,
Oh, okay.
so I
Yep.
don't.
Just take it
Don't go
easy.
too
Yeah.
far.
Yeah,
Just keep-
that's why if
just go
he's
back
not
around that
seeming
way.
like he wants to go, we're
Okay. Good luck.
You had a nice round too. Okay.
You missed the barrel.
Which one?
Number 2.
Wow, none of us saw it.
Good. Cool.
I mean, we all sit there and watched it. When you said when you came up, you said he missed the barrel, and we all looked at each other. One.
No, okay. I'll keep it.
Sometimes you get it. Yeah, you don't. You don't even talk to me.
That's right. It does. That's where you just say, oh, just say thank you.
Yep.
Yeah,
Said-
yeah,
I told
yeah.
people this morning the agility gods were smiling. Good luck.